You're sailing on the vast ocean, surrounded by nothing but water. Then, out of nowhere, a floating city with the capability to house thousands of people and launch warplanes from its deck passes by. This is the Ford-class aircraft carrier. It's not just a warship, it's a floating military fortress, and it's so powerful that any enemy would think twice before engaging it. The Ford-class aircraft carrier, USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN-78, is the latest generation of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers in the U.S. Navy. Named after the 38th U.S. President Gerald Ford, this carrier represents the cutting edge in aircraft carrier design and technology. It's often described as the future of aircraft carriers, embodying the U.S. Navy's commitment to power projection, carrier-based combat, and technological innovation. If you think of an aircraft carrier as just another big ship, think again. The Ford-class aircraft carrier is practically a floating city that could make even the biggest skyscrapers jealous. Length, 1,092 feet, about 333 meters, longer than 3 football fields. Width, 256 feet, about 78 meters. Displacement, 100,000 tons. This colossal vessel can carry 5,000 plus crew members and 75 plus aircraft, effectively becoming a super mall on the sea. To put it simply, this carrier is the size of a mobile airbase, powered by nuclear energy, making it capable of traveling anywhere across the globe with virtually limitless operational endurance. Not only is the Ford-class carrier massive, but it's also armed to the teeth. It's home to the U.S. Navy's most advanced and powerful aircraft, including F/A-18 Super Hornet fighter jets, the backbone of the U.S. Navy's air superiority, capable of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and air-to-sea combat. E-2D Hawkeye early warning aircraft provides essential intelligence and battle management support. F-35C Lightning II, the latest fifth-generation stealth fighter designed to carry out multi-role missions across the sea, land, and air. And of course, the Ford-class carrier isn't just dependent on aircraft for its firepower. It's equipped with powerful defensive systems like the RIM-116C RAM close-in weapon system and Phalanx CIWS, which provide anti-missile defense, ensuring that even under attack, the Ford-class remains a floating fortress. The Ford-class aircraft carrier runs on 2 nuclear reactors, which means it can stay on the move without worrying about refueling. These reactors provide the power needed to propel the ship at 30-plus knots and sustain operations for over 20 years without refueling. To put it simply, this carrier has the kind of endurance you'd expect from a nuclear-powered jet, and it doesn't need to stop for fuel every few thousand miles. It's essentially a high-speed train on the ocean, running on endless fuel for decades. The Ford-class aircraft carrier isn't just big and powerful, it's designed to be efficient and resilient. Compared to the older Nimitz-class carriers, the Ford-class features several innovative upgrades that improve its operational efficiency, speed, and survivability. Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS gone are the old steam-powered catapults. This carrier features electromagnetic launchers, enabling faster, more efficient launches. This makes the aircraft launch cycle faster, safer, and less labor-intensive for the crew. Advanced power systems. These allow the Ford class to support more aircraft and handle higher-intensity combat without the wear and tear of older mechanical systems. Smart integrated systems. With its state-of-the-art radar and electronic systems, the Ford class can make better, faster decisions, processing data with near real-time precision, making it more capable than any other aircraft carrier in operation. While the Ford-class aircraft carrier is loaded with cutting-edge technology, it doesn't come cheap. The construction cost of each Ford-class carrier exceeds $13 billion, which is no small change. And of course, maintenance isn't exactly pocket change either. But when you think about it, the return on investment is massive. This ship will provide over 50 years of service, hosting thousands of sailors, fighter jets, and cutting-edge technology, ensuring that the U.S. Navy's presence remains unchallenged on the world's oceans. The Ford-class aircraft carrier isn't just the biggest and best aircraft carrier in the fleet, it's the future of naval warfare. It's a testament to the U.S. Navy's commitment to power projection and technological innovation. Whether it's long-range strike missions, nuclear deterrence, or air and sea support, the Ford-class carrier is capable of executing every mission with exceptional precision and reliability. So, the next time you see this massive machine gliding across the ocean, don't think of it as just a ship. Think of it as a floating airbase, a giant steel fortress, and the very definition of U.S. naval supremacy on the high seas. It's not just a warship, it's a mobile power station ready to take on the world.